So guys, you want to head over to search and then type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find the drive that you want to create a partition from. It's going to show all your drives right here. If you look at volume on the top left, it's going to show the name of your drive. So this is my C drive right here. It's got 79 gigabytes. And if I look over here, it shows for me 79 gigabytes and it shows C drive. So I'm going to be using the C drive for this tutorial. I want to be creating a partition of my C drive. So now once you find the drive that you want to create a partition of, you want to right click on it. And then you want to click on shrink volume. Wait for this to load. And now once you're in here, you want to head over to search and type in calculator. Click on it. So just so you know, 1024 equals 1 gigabyte. So let's say that I want to make a partition of a drive that's 10 gigabytes. I want to do 1024 times 10. And then click on equals. And then you want to type in this number right here into this third box. So it's 10240. So in your case, let's say that you want to do 5 gigabytes. Let me just clear this. You want to do 1024 times 5 and click on equals. So basically, you just want to do 1024 times the number of gigabytes that you want. And then you should type in this number that comes up in here into this third box. And then once you do that, now you want to click on shrink. And now you're going to be getting this. It's going to be black. It's going to say unallocated. You want to right click on it and then click on new simple volume. And then you want to click on next. And then you want to leave it as the same number as this one, the maximum disk space. And then click on next. And then you want to assign the drive letter name. I'm just going to call it the K drive. And then you want to click on next. And then you can choose your file system. I'm just going to do NTFS. And then you can put in the volume label. I'm just going to call it speed tutorials. And then click on next. And then click on finish. And now we have a new drive called speed tutorials, which is labeled as the K drive. So now you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. And then it should show your new drive.